Today we have a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Violent Man Faces Instant Karma After Assaulting Cashier.
Put your hands behind your back right now! Taser! Taser!
Got them together.
No.
Well, that's prison for you.
On June 20th, 2024, in Shorewood, Wisconsin, Officer Santiago and Kerr were dispatched to a gas station after several witnesses observed a man, Caven, violently assaulting the cashier with a shovel in one hand, from which the cashier lost a tooth in the process. Upon the officer's arrival, the following occurred.
He's in there? Come on with it.
What a taser point.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Come on with it. I'm gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Tased, mama. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I'm on the ground. Belly down. Now. Now. Tased, mama. Face down. My mama at home. Face down. Get your hands out of your pocket. Come on with it. Get your hands out of your pocket. Come on with it.
Don't put your hands in your pocket, boy. Might have a gun. Might mistake that phone for a gun, boy. Hasta luego.
Face down. Face down right now. Face down. I ain't going nowhere. We're gonna get tased. Tase me now. Belly down right now. Tase me now. Belly down right now. Oh yeah? Yeah. Okay. My mom gonna. Okay. I got my receipt at home. Man. From my jacket. Come on with it. You get tased. Come on with it. Switch your gloves. Tased. My mom right here died. Let me see your hands. Face down to the ground. Put your arms out to the side. Do it now. I ain't going nowhere. Do it now. I ain't going nowhere. Do it now. I ain't going nowhere. Then he attacked me first. Do it now. I ain't going nowhere. Now. I'm gonna call my mom. All right. I'm gonna tell you one more time. Belly down to the ground. Nowhere. I ain't going nowhere. Go ahead. Yep. Hands down. Ready? Face down. Face down, bro. Face down. Put your hands behind your back right now. Taser. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Right now. Stop resisting. You saw my mother. One more time. Hands behind your back. Take your cuffs off. Come on. You got my mother.
Hey, just sleeve up. Just relax. Just relax. There you go. Get that other one. I got you. Ready? Yep. All right. Look, just leave go.
Stop my mother.
You good. There you go. 906 in custody.
Stop my mother. Now back.
Just double lock.
Okay.
Is he okay? I gotta check on him.
You okay?
Once he secures him.
Stop my mother. Now back.
Let me get that one. I should call North Shore for him too. Hey, yeah.
You saw my mama in her back.
Does he got a gas
Sitting on the floor.
He has like a hematoma.
Do you want leg irons?
Stop my mama in her back.
That one hurt.
We got an ambulance coming for you too.
I called 911.
Thank you. Did you see what happened?
Yeah.
Do you mind hanging out for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
No, he took him. It came out.
Who's the closest squad?
Yeah.
Right.
You are?
Are we gonna wait? again.
Yeah.
Take that brief. Come on, Jack. Get my
You're not getting your jacket right now.
Oh, you gonna give my mama $100 something. Jack, get your hand on my shoulder.
No.
Get your hand on my
Just
shoulder.
sit back and
Then I
relax.
said, get your hand on my shoulder.
Sit back and relax.
What you talking about? Get my motherfucking jacket.
I'll get it when we leave. You're not getting it right now. You can't even put it on right now.
I know, but I'm taking it with me.
It'll go with you with all your other property, but you're not getting it right now.
Real scums of the earth, man. Real scums of the earth. All I can say, man. This guy, come on, man. You gonna go in there and beat up the cashier, man? For what? What is that? What did that cashier do to you so bad that you want to lay your hands, not only hands, you had the shovel in your hand. So you beating him with a shovel? Like, man, yo. Crazy. Crazy, man. I don't know. And then little stores like this, they typically only be having like one person working, which I think that's dangerous anyway. I remember I used to work at a gas station. What? Maybe I was like 19. It's like 19 years old. And I worked at a gas station. And one night a week, every Monday, I would have to work the overnight shift, doing the stock in and all of that stuff, getting prepared for the morning or whatever. And you by yourself, one person on the overnight shift. Like, if something happens, you got to call someone in to come to work or cover your shift or whatever. Like, I don't know why jobs are like that. I don't think places like that, stores like that, there should never be only one person. There should always be at least two. Because if something happens, you have someone else there. It's just a safety thing, man.
I gotta call my sister when I meet to the hospital too. When y'all got her phone. Yeah. You know where she's staying. Yes.
I'm just going to take this off for now, okay? We're going to put you on our bed here, okay?
Help me up, man.
Just a second. I'll get once they're ready. Okay?
Yeah. Let me grab my jacket too.
Yeah, you're not getting it right now.
With no side.
Man, forget him. Who cares about him? What about the other guy? They help him yet?
Just have a seat. Right.
You lost so much. You got me to the front?
You didn't search this jacket, did you? No, not yet.
Cavan was then transported to the hospital via ambulance for medical evaluation, after which he was transported by Officer Brown to the police department for booking.
I have Miss step out for me. I'm gonna go up these stairs here.
If we got to be a lover, start making up home. Start making
Up against this wall here. Separate your feet. I'm gonna search you again. Is there anything on you that I need to know about? Anything's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me?
I don't want no, sir. No, sir.
He's
That I need to know about, no drugs,
institutionalized.
nothing?
No drugs. Y'all need to let that slow down.
You know how I could tell? Because when he's facing the wall, he put his head forward. Like, almost, some people have them put their forehead on the wall, or, you know, they get really close to it. He's institutionalized for sure. This ain't his first rodeo.
He's gonna take the cuffs off, and then he's gonna do one more pat down search on you.
He cool. I can take my shoes off and everything for him.
Yeah, that's gonna happen.
I ain't got. I'm gonna cooperate with you, sir. Mr. Brown.
Okay. Yeah, we appreciate it.
Mr. Robert Brown.
Yep. Are you gonna be cool if we take them off?
Yeah, man.
Okay. When I take the left one off, I just want you to take your left hand, put it on top of your head with your palm facing up.
All right. God damn, Mr. Brown.
No, it's just explaining to you. Just being nice.
Can I get a cup of water?
We'll get you one in a little bit, okay?
A bottle of water?
Put your hand on your head. Palm up.
Listen, if you cooperate, I'll get you a bottle of water here. As soon as you get down, we get through the process.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
sir?
gonna put my shoes off and my socks off for your ass, Mr. Brown.
Face the wall.
Just face the wall.
All right, now do me a favor.
What?
Put your arms out to the side. Your palms facing up. Bend down at the knees. No. Just bend it slightly at the knees.
Separate your feet.
It's all right.
He institutionalized. He know how to get on that wall. Get on that wall.
Just separate your feet. Stand straight up. Arms out to the side. Palms up. Right? There we go. Yeah, we just gotta make sure.
Damn, man.
I know.
Take it off. Just hand it. Just put your arm outward. Don't swing it.
There you go.
I can get swinging about that him, man.
I'm just making sure.
You want me to take my pants down too?
No.
Nope. Leave them up. Leave them up. Leave them up.
Just leave your pants where they are.
All right, have a
What
seat.
y'all doing? What y'all want? What
Just
y'all
have a
want?
seat on the bench.
Damn, let me take my shoes off. What y'all want to see? I'm gonna take my pants off too. Y'all act like I got some damn drugs now. Me?
Looks like you got good earrings. We don't want to lose them. Like a little bag for your earrings. And we need
Man, I ain't going no jail.
we need to
Leave my earrings
Well,
on.
we have to take that off here.
It's just our policy.
See my ass. I ain't going no jail because I ain't do shit wrong. I'm gonna take my pants off.
See, every officer does pat frisks differently. His technique, I don't like. You know, when they have them put their hands like to the when they have them put their hands out like this, I don't really like that because I don't like their hands. Their hands is gonna be free regardless, but I would rather their hands up on the wall, like how he was going to do it, up on the wall. That take two, 3 steps back, where they're at an angle, and now they're at a disadvantage, and you have the advantage. Just them standing straight up like that, like you don't really have an advantage point like that.
Let you know I ain't got.
Just keep your pants on, dude.
No, y'all want to script search me?
No, we don't want to.
I'm gonna do it for y'all. Yeah, because I ain't going no more.
Oh, this guy is nuts.
Search my
Yep. Institutionalized like a mug, boy.
Call my sister, and she gonna tell you what's going on. She brought this
Just
shit.
put your clothes back on.
Here, we don't want to lose it. There we go. Then just your necklaces.
After the booking was complete, Cavan was transported to the Milwaukee County Jail, during which he continued to be belligerent. Initially, Cavan was charged with 2 counts of felony intended bodily harm and battery to a law enforcement officer, as well as misdemeanor disorderly conduct. However, he was not seen mentally fit to stand trial and was discharged from the court. Please consider showing your support.
Not mentally able to stand trial, so pretty much he got away with it. Whatever, he could go in there, beat up the cashier and all that stuff. And he cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, so it is what it is, you know? Oh my goodness. I wish I could tell you I was surprised, but I'm not. Officers get a 4 out of 5. Yeah, they get a 4 out of 5. It was all right, you know. But let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.